Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Green Dot prepaid card in a few simple steps. Once you receive your card in the mail, the first thing you need to do is locate the activation sticker on the front of the card. It usually has instructions on how to activate your card, so make sure to have it handy. Next, you have a couple of options to activate your card. You can either activate it online by visiting the Green Dot website or by calling the activation phone number provided on the sticker. If you choose to activate it online, go to the website and look for the activation section. Enter your card number, the security code, and any other information requested. If you prefer to activate by phone, dial the activation number and follow the automated instructions. Make sure to have your card and personal information ready to streamline the process. Once you've entered all the required information, the system will confirm the activation and you'll be all set to start using your Green Dot prepaid card. Remember to sign the back of your card for security purposes. Your card is now activated and ready to use for online purchases, bill payments, and more. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Green Dot customer service for assistance. That's it for today's guide on activating your Green Dot prepaid card. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.